Hello friends, today we will be discussing about errors and exceptions. So there are two types of errors in any programming language. If you take C, Java, any programming language, there will be two types of errors. What are the two types are? Syntax error and logical error. What is this syntax and logical error mean? Syntax error means somewhere we are missing semicolon or a double quotes or plus operator. Somewhere will be missing some statements. These all are come under typing mistakes or spelling mistakes. Anything that will come under syntax error. What is this logical error mean? Giving a wrong statements. Like suppose there is a dictionary was there. Already we have discussed about the dictionary. So inside the dictionary I am accessing name, means I am printing a name. The key value is name, the key is name, but when you see in the dictionary I did not mention name itself, so it is an error. So this is a logical error. Next we'll be moving on to the exceptions. What do you mean by exception? Exception is nothing but something goes wrong while we are doing work. For example, we are doing a work in system. Suddenly power cut happened. So we did not save that something file or something we are doing. So the data will be lost. So because of some exception, what is here exception? Power cut is the exception. Because of some exception, our whole data has been lost. So that is the meaning of exception. What is the definition in the formal way? Unexpected event that disturbs a normal flow of execution of program or any alternative options we are taking that options are called exceptions. For example, if I take one database, I am doing a simple program, that is open the database, read the content of the database and close the database. Yes, I am doing as it is, whatever the instructions given by the instructor I am doing same as it is. I have opened and I am reading, I started reading. So if any exceptions like SQL exception occurs while I am reading the data, then it will come out of the program. Yes, because exception, it will come out of the program ends. But do you remember I did not close the database? If I don't close the database, the data has been lost. So the entire data has been lost because of some exception. The database will contain huge amount of data. That huge amount of the data will be disappear because of one small mistake, that is an exception. So small exception can make a loss of a big data. So everything has a solution. Here also we had a solution how we can handle this type of exceptions. In Python we have two keywords that are a try and except. In Java we have try and catch, but in Python we have try and except. What is the try? We will be placing a risky code in a try block, and whenever an exception has occurred, then it will throw an exception to the except, then except will be catching that exception. So we are not having any loss of data or any exception. If exception was also there, we have given something wax into that try and except, so no need to fear. So our data will be safe. So what except will be doing? It will be handling the exception which is given by the try block. So this is about explanation of errors and exceptions. We'll see a small example how does it works. Suppose I have given one dictionary, same, I'm trying to call this one. So when I try to call this one, see students, first I am showing without giving try and except block. First we'll check. Now I am accessing the state. The state was present, the key has present in this dictionary. No, key was not present. So what it will be throwing? Key error it will be throwing. Let's check. So we are getting, and so friends, we got error. See, key error, state. So to avoid this error, because of this error we are not getting this one. See, hello, it's not printing because we got an error here. So the program will come outside of the program. So we are not displaying this hello. Now I am trying to put this risky code in try block, because we are knowing that state which was not there here. So I have to put in the try block. So except something exception I can give. I don't know. Suppose if you don't know that exception name, actually you have to give here. If you don't know that exception name, not a problem, exception you can give, because that is the parent of all exception, and you can print a statement. Okay, let's see this. So we got an exception, right? So the exception has got the try will be given to the except. So in except, whatever the data was there, it will be printing key does not find, and a normal flow of execution, hello. So this is the explanation of errors and exception. So next I'll be explaining about classes and object. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.